There is no doubt that Binance is the biggest exchange nowadays, and in today's video I'll be talking about their web platform and the mobile app they offer, and I will share with you my experience using both, so it will be easier for you to decide whether the mobile app is the better choice for you or the web platform. And before I start, you guys make sure to smash the like button because it will be super useful for the YouTube algorithm. It will spread my video towards new audience and it will be very beneficial for this channel. Nowadays more people use the mobile device because it's just easy. It's in your pocket. You can pick up your phone, buy crypto, sell crypto, convert cryptocurrencies if you will, and it is just super comfortable. Of course, the only thing you need is network coverage. Now, if you're someone like me spending a lot of time in front of the computer, probably it is the better choice to use the web platform because it is just more visual. If you open the trading platform, if I go to trade and I hit on spot trading, you will see the bigger picture of the market. You will have a better idea about the chart. If you're someone who likes to do technical analysis and you draw patterns and lines, way better to be sitting in front of the computer. If you're someone who is purchasing cryptocurrency on a regular basis, for example with the dollar cost averaging strategy, where one buys cryptocurrencies on predefined period of time, for example every first day of the month, or every Monday, or every day, then it really doesn't matter whether you'll be using the desktop version or the mobile device. The so-called recurrent payments are set once and then you will be purchasing cryptocurrency automatically on a regular basis. Now the cool thing about Binance is that you have just one account for your web platform and for the mobile app. With some of the other exchanges, you need a separate account for the web version and separate account for the mobile app, which makes it really uncomfortable. And for example, if I click on the login, you will see that I can log in with my Google account, or if I wish, I can just scan the QR code, and if I authorize the login, I'll be logged in automatically. How cool that is. Now let me show you first the web platform. Now on the left side we have the order book where we can see the bids and asks. In the middle we have the chart, and on the right side you can search for different pairs to trade. And with Binance you have Trading View integrated, which is usually the platform I'm using for technical analysis, but I use the original website tradingview.com where I have paid membership and I can monitor many assets. I can do different drawings. And if I make it on a big screen, you will see that for Bitcoin, for example, I have so many drawings that are stored with years, okay? This is something you can have on the browser or on the web version of Binance because it just doesn't store your drawings and indicators and technical analysis if you are doing on many different assets. So this is considered as a disadvantage if you are trading more professionally. Then having a platform such as TradingView probably is the best choice. Below the chart you can find the spot trading where you have the option to buy Bitcoin or any other asset. You can as well use different types of orders such as limit order, which is usually the order I use the most. So limit order is used when you want to buy on a lower level from the current price. For example, if you believe Bitcoin will drop down to 25,000, you can set a limit order at 25,000, and if the price reaches to that level, it will buy automatically, which means you don't need to stay in front of the chart the whole day waiting for the price to drop to 25,000, because obviously you can miss that moment, especially if it happens during the night or if it's just a spike, quick move that you won't be able to catch. Then a limit order is a great solution. Obviously, market order means that you can buy or sell at the current moment, and there are a few more order types that I'm not going into details right now. Now, all of that you can have with the mobile app. If I click on the markets, for example, you will see that I have the different pairs out there. If I go to Bitcoin USDT, you will see that I have the very same chart as on my desktop, and I can switch between different time frames. I can as well insert indicators that are below, but obviously it is just smaller visually compared to what I see on my big screen. But as functions, I can do pretty much the same thing. For example, if I go to trade, I can buy Bitcoin USDC using a market order, meaning that I can buy instantly on the current price, or I can set up a limit order, which I already explained. And later in the course, I will talk more about the different types of orders. Now, if I click on home and I click on more, you will see all the different functions and possibilities that Binance offers, such as transferring crypto from one wallet to another, buying crypto, recurring buy, depositing fiat money. And if I go lower, you will see that they have referral program, they have gift cards, activities, trade options are plenty. We have margin trading, we have futures, we have peer-to-peer trading, and quite more options. As well, we have the earn option where you can stake cryptocurrencies to earn passive income. You have the finance where you are able to pay or get a loan or use their Visa card, which I've been talking a lot in some of my other videos because I use the Binance Visa card and the Crypto.com card and some of the other cards that the exchanges offer. And there is really a lot of information on their app, which is not common for the other exchanges. If you've been using crypto apps from other exchanges, you will see a huge difference when it comes to the Binance. For me personally, it's nothing missing in here. It's more than enough if you're a beginner or advanced trader. And to be honest with you, I've been using Binance probably from the beginning, since it launched in 2017. And initially I was using the most the Binance platform on their web browser because I was spending more time in front of the computer. But recently, since I became father of 3 kids, I want to spend more time with them. We are traveling a lot and I use the Binance app the most of my time. I don't really need to be in front of the computer to trade or invest in crypto. Everything I can do from the mobile. So it's really up to you which one you will be using. Depends on if you're spending time on your computer or not. I know many people don't have even computers at home nowadays and they use mobiles only. That's okay. They have the app, so you can go for the Binance app. And if you haven't registered on Binance, check out the link below because using it you will pay less commissions on Binance. Thank you very much for watching. If you have found the video useful, smash the like button. I really appreciate that. And I thank you for the time watching that video. Don't forget that I love you and I will see you guys in another video.